Hey you guys, what's going on? So yeah, I came to raw today, no makeup, no nothing, because sometimes I have time to do my makeup in the morning and sometimes I do not have time to do my makeup in the morning. So I wanted to come on here to talk about my goddess locks and yeah, my experience so far. I've only had them since Sunday, and yeah, there's some ups and there's some downs. All right, so to start over from the beginning, hold on, I don't know why my charger's not working on my phone. So I decided to get you guys know I've been going through my lock journey with my hair, and my hair is locked. My hair is locking, and it's going through that ugly phase. So since my hair is going through that ugly phase, I really did not feel like I wanted to wait that long my hair to lock up, and plus it was getting like all fuzzy and getting like those thick chunky, like the chunky ugly phase or whatever. So I was like, I didn't want to have to do that, and I was in front of my students and teaching my students. So with that being said, I was like, I'm going to get some kind of a protective style. So the protective styles that I usually do are my wigs. Y'all see I rock my wigs. I'm going to soon start getting custom units made for my rainbow hair and my blonde. I love my blonde, my rainbow color hair, so on and so forth. So normally it's a wig. So my thing was with the wigs, I love my wigs, but at the same time, it's yeah. One day everyone's like, oh, at work they couldn't really figure out. They're like, how do you change your hairstyle so fast? I'm like, it's a wig. I know it look real, but come on, y'all. So so I decided to ask around about what I could do for my locks until they grew out a little bit more. And yeah, they're still going to go through the ugly phase, but I wanted to get something that was going to stay in my hair, that I didn't have to worry about for a long time. So when I saw the goddess locks, I was like, oh my God, these are so pretty. And I first saw them on my friend Ebony's hair, and they were gorgeous on her. So I was like, you know what? I absolutely need to get these done. And I think they would look great on me since I'm already having locks. Plus, I get to see what I look like with locks in my hair when they do get longer. Granted, they won't be blonde. So I contacted her hairstylist. And when I contacted her, when I contacted her hairstylist, we made an appointment to get them done. Now, I did not know the experience of goddess locks. I didn't know what they did to get them done. I didn't know any of that. All I knew is that I wanted them done, and that's how I am. I'm like, you know what? Wanted it done. Kind of like, I don't know if you guys remember when I had my black and white braids. They were like 30 inches long, and it was like a million of them. It cost me like $220 to get them done. And I sat in that chair for like 10 hours to get them done. Just like me, I jumped right in to get all them braids done. And when I got all them braids done, the 10 hours, the hair was so heavy, you guys. Like, I looked beautiful, but it was so heavy. It was so long. I was sitting on my hair. I couldn't even like pull it up in a bun. Like, I couldn't do anything. Like, it was bad. So, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to take these out. So eventually I had them for a good 2-3 months, and then I finally took them out. So with these, I didn't really look up any reviews. I didn't look up what people were saying. I didn't look at anything. I just knew they were pretty, and I wanted to get them done. Now, with that being said, I got it done. I sat in her chair, and I do have my mohawk. I'll just show you guys my hair. I still have a mohawk. Don't judge me, because I definitely still need to get trimmed up. That's why I asked about a barber. It was cut into a style, but I definitely need to get trimmed up. I'm still trying to grow my edges out. Don't talk mess, but yeah, definitely I need a cut and a trim, but it's still in the mohawk. So basically all she had to do was this back part. Okay, and then the top part. All right, so the hair that I got was the Cuban twist hair, and I got the single crochet hair, like the long single crochet hair, which is this part right here. Okay, and then the Cuban twist hair. So total, I had to get maybe, I think I got like 8 packs total, which is a little too much, but I have a lot of hair and I have a lot of locks. So it was already separated, because my locks, these are how my locks are separated already. They're already broken down, so it's super easy for her to do. She's amazing. It took her only 3 hours to do them. It was really, really fast. The one thing that surprised me was the pain. The pain. So I did not know that I would have so much pain when getting these goddess locks. I thought that the Africans braided really, really tight. Goddess locks are like tighter than that, okay? So what she does is, or what I think she did, from what I could tell, this was really loose. I could swing it around or whatever. So I think what she did was she crocheted the hair down and then it came out or whatever, right? And then she took the Cuban twist hair and she wrapped it around, wrapped it. So she's twisting it and twisting it and twisting it and twisting it. And it's super duper tight. So I don't know if you could tell, but it's super duper tight, okay? And then in the end, it comes out like this. And then she burns the end. So it's really two separate pieces of hair, okay? Two separate pieces of hair. So it came out really cute. So the back, when she did the back, it was like, all right, you know, it's not that bad or whatever. And then she gets to the middle. The middle was like, man, I don't know what it is about the crown of our heads, ladies, but here hurts so bad. It's like our sensitive spot. Even when I got my relaxers, this was the thickest part. If there's any hairstylists in here, maybe you can explain why that is. But this was the thickest part in here. And it just was like, oh my God, I felt my soul leaving my body more than a few times. It was so tight. So when she got up here to the front, absolutely tight. Like all of this was so tight. But ladies, beauty is pain. So we just we just grin and bear it. And we deal with it because we want the hairstyle. So when I got home, I slept like the girl on Friday, where I was just laying like this, closing my eyes, and I was like this, closing my eyes, because it was so tight. Super duper tight, okay? Now, I asked her, I said, you know, since it's so tight, what is it that I got to do to make sure that I can massage my scalp? Because I know I'll start getting little, you know, little bumps and stuff like that, and then it starts getting scaly and stuff like that. She's like, continue using oil, which I have oil. She said, keep using oil. Make sure you moisturize your scalp and all that other kind of stuff. So I've been using oil. I've been moisturizing my scalp. I've been making sure that it's well greased and well, you know, taken care of, so I don't have to really worry about any of the bad stuff that's going to come along with it. Nope, I was wrong. Still hurts. It's only been Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's been 5 days. It still hurts. My scalp, let's see if I can show you. My scalp, like I have some scars in my head because of how tight it is. I don't know if you guys can see how tight it is. You can probably see this one. You can see how tight it is right here. This one right here. Super duper tight. Okay, and keep in mind, it is attached to my locks. It's tight up here too. Now, I just started being able to move these things around. These front ones right here. These front ones I can move around. Now, the hair itself is stiff. Okay, it's stiff as I don't know what. These just started being able to move around. I still can't move them too much from my scalp because it still hurts a little bit. But every day I try to like take them and like flip them to the opposite side so that I can try to get, see, it still hurts, but I try to flip them to the opposite side. I even do like something like this to make sure I weight them down so I can feel it over my head so that they rotate around each other so it doesn't hurt so bad. However, much more comfortable with them being on this side or whatever. So these aren't that stiff anymore. Now the ones in the back, as you can see, they are still super duper stiff, okay? And I asked some stylists, what do I do about that? One girl, she has some beautiful goddess locks. I messaged her today, and she said she's been using conditioner, and some of them dip it in the boiling water so that it loosens up and stuff like that. I don't want to do that because I don't know how this hair holds in water or if the curls will still stay in, and I don't want them being all fluffy and frizzy, which some of them are already because clearly I showered or whatever. So if you look at all of them right now, this is what they look like right now. All right. And you can still see, like I said, some of them are just stiff as hell. Now, from the roots, these are the only ones that are movable. These are the only ones I can actually take. And I was thinking about doing a bun with them, maybe. I don't know how that's going to work with my mohawk. I ain't doing nothing with them until I can freaking get my edges, my sides trimmed up because it look horrible. But I was thinking about doing a bun finally, if I can. Not this way. I got to twist it this way. We're doing some kind of cute little bun or something like that in the front. I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I'll be doing some crazy stuff. It don't even look right now. Bow. There we go. So, yeah. See, now this is cute. Kind of. I gotta shave this. But anyway, so I just started being able to do this. All this other stuff, like putting it in a ponytail, you can hang that up. It ain't gonna happen. It's just stiff as hell. Stiff as a mother, okay? So, so with that being said, would I suggest getting goddess locks? Absolutely. Again, this is only a week. When I look at some of the reviews after YouTube, a lot of people were saying the same thing I was saying. They were like, they're so stiff. They were tight as hell. They were stiff as hell. They were heavy, like a whole bunch of reviews. But months later, they were like, oh, I love them. I've had them in for 3 or 4 months now. And, you know, I'm real big on cleaning my head. Like right now, it hurts right here, right, guys? Because I got like scars and stuff from and the scars are from when it's super tight and it's pulling your hair. But anyway, yeah, it hurts. So yeah, so they love them. 3 months later, they said that they love them and they have all kind of cute styles or whatever. So I just think it's the best thing ever. Keep in mind, when I put my face on, I ain't got my face on right now, but when I put my face on, it is magic. So yes, I think I'll rock the bun tomorrow once I get my edges trimmed up. But yes. So I love them so far. No regrets whatsoever. Slight regret because of the tightness, but I know it'll loosen up soon. And like I said, I've been playing with it. I've been spraying conditioner. Oh, that's another thing. I asked them, how do you wash them? Because if you're keeping them in for 3, 4, 5 months, I wanted to know how you take care of them, so they're not all funky. And, you know, dry shampoo, leave-in conditioner, because I have leave-in conditioner. My friend Kiki said that she uses leave-in conditioner and water to start loosening these up. So I'm going to start doing that as well. But yeah, I don't regret it. Super happy that I got them. Don't have to worry about it. And the most important part is I'll get to see what I'll look like with my locks later on down the line. Now, granted, to get my locks grow out like this, it'll probably be another 10 years. My hair grows really fast, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to grow that fast. So these I want to keep in for about the 3 or 4 months, and then hopefully my locks will grow out, and they'll grow up pretty far, if not 3 or 4 months, and then I'll have my stylist relock them, and it'll be amazing because the hair will be grown out. So super duper exciting. I'm not regretting my lock journey. It's something that I've been wanting to do. I've been actually debating it for like 4 years. So I finally decided to do it, and I'm on this journey. So I decided to ramp up the journey and do what I can do so far, and goddess locks are a thing. If I do get them again, I will tell her to not do it so tightly. And also I wanted to get the bohemian locks because I think bohemian locks are super cute as well. Bohemian locks are the same, but there's more stringly hairs and it's like all hair in between the locks. So it looks good. It's kind of like a messy old school type style. So yeah. All right, my head's hurting now, so I'm gonna take this down. All right. Okay, well, all right, you guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the journey. If you have any questions, please comment, inbox me, share this video if you know anybody that you know is interested in getting goddess locks and wants to know all about it. So I'll talk to you guys later and have a good night. Bye.